In this video I'm at Cannop Cycle Centre and I'm going to be testing two bikes down one of the downhill trails. The downhill trail that I'm going to be testing them on is Ski Run. Here's a quick peek of the trail. The two bikes I'm going to be testing on them is the Marin B-17 TWO, which is my old bike and is a trail bike, and I'm also going to be testing them on my GT Force Expert carbon bike. So as my Marin is only an aluminium frame, my GT is a carbon, which is really light. But what does make my GT a bit heavier is its forks, as they're 160mm. The GT bike is an Enduro bike, which means it has a lot of travel. So this is my first time down it and I'm going on the GT. I also do a test run on the Marin just so then I can get a feel for it and a feel for the trail on it. One big difference between the bikes is the Marin has a 27.5 plus tyre and the GT has a standard 2.3 width 27.5 tyre. And now I decided to go down to the fire road as slow as I could. The Marin did have an advantage here as it had 27 plus tyres. So the GT did 8 seconds, now let's see what the Marin can do. It starts off really well, going really slow down here, and I have a feeling it might be around 10 seconds, yeah, 10 seconds on the dot. Now let's see how the bikes do on the technical stuff. 3, 2, 1, and the GT's off. So it starts off quite slow and this section isn't too technical, but it then gets a lot more technical as you go further down. So now we've done the route hop, let's see how the next section is. So this is really technical here. Let's have a look at the other footage. This is where the speed starts to pick up. It's quite slippy in places and very rooty. So continuing down the trail with some quite slippy rock rolls. So here you can see them from the other angle and the GT goes down them pretty easily with its 160mm of suspension travel. So I did that run in 26 seconds. Now let's see what the Marin can get. Okay, dropping into ski run on the Marin B-17 TWO. The feeling the suspension is going to be a bit odd. That was actually okay then. So the Marin is actually doing quite well over here, considering it is not much travel. I think one of the main reasons you have confidence is because of the fatter tyres. So the Marin did the trail in 30 seconds, whereas the GT did it in 26 seconds. So overall there isn't much of a difference, but when the train gets even more technical, I think the GT will strive ahead. Now let's have a look at some side-to-side footage of the Marin and the GT going down the trail, comparing them to each other. So as we go over here, the GT does look a bit more stable in the air, but then the Marin bounces around when it lands. So on this section, the GT does do pretty well going over it, and it stays very stable while going over the rocks, whereas the Marin is really a lot more stable. I think again the main reason is the plus size tyres, but you can have a look for yourself. It just looks like it flows over a lot more than the GT. Here's the GT now, as you've already seen the Marin. But it doesn't look as smooth as the Marin. So over here is where some of the bikes find it a bit more difficult. My GT finds it quite easy as of the travel, but the Marin finds it a bit stiffer and harder to ride down. So on this section, both bikes do pretty well. As it isn't too technical, it is more just steep, it's quite easy. Now that we've been down ski run, let's see what aspects of the bikes make it better on which one. Overall, I found it a lot easier on the GT due to its lots of travel. On the Marin, it was really nice riding down this trail still though. The main reason was because of its plus size tyres. This makes a big difference and gives you a lot more confidence, I find, as you don't feel like they're about to snap. Although I don't think they're about to snap, I don't know what makes me think it though. Overall, an Enduro bike is going to be a lot better at technical stuff because it's more meant for technical terrain, whereas a trail bike is more meant for what the name says, it's trail, not Enduro. But it can do Enduro still, but it's still a bit harder on it as it's not meant for it. Thank you for watching this video. As always, in my map related videos, I'll link the map of Ski Run down below. If you want more content like this, or jumps, or technical terrain riding skills, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Also, if you want to check out some of my other videos, they'll be linked up in the top right corner of your screen, down below, and also on your screen now.